Assalamualaikum everyone and welcome to another video. So for today's video, it's gonna be an Eid makeup look as you can see. And I'm really excited to do this video kasi ever since pa lang, I really wanted to do an Eid makeup look na but I never got the chance to do it. So now, since I finally have my YouTube channel, I decided, why not? Let's make it happen this time. For my non-Muslim viewers, worry not. You can still try to do this makeup look. This really easy, basic, soft glam makeup. It's really easy to do. I just used like 3 colors and then super simple lang ng the steps that I took. Also guys, this is the first video in my channel na it's not a talk through. All my previous videos were talk through or like yung nakaupo ako and I'm talking to you guys like this. This video would be like a voiceover. I wanted to do a voiceover kasi I just wanted to see what you guys like, if you guys like it better. So I would really appreciate if you guys, if you comment down below and tell me if you preferred a voiceover video or like a talk-through video. Anyways, that's it. I hope you like the video. Subscribe to my channel if you want, and if you want to be notified the next time I upload the video, then click that bell button. Bye guys, enjoy! Hi guys, so this is my bare face. Let's start. I'm already done prepping my skin, so the first step is primer. I love this primer. It works for all skin tones, so I suggest you give it a try, and it's really affordable as well. Some of you guys might get freaked out about my foundation shade, but hear me out. I normally really use a foundation that's 1 shade darker than my face, but since I don't go out as much anymore because of the lockdown, my normal foundation might look a tad bit too yellow or dark on me. But worry not, you guys. You'll see that it will still blend really well on my skin. Just don't forget to blend down your neck. As you can see, you guys, bumagay na yung foundation on my skin, even if it's dark. And with all the highlighting we'll do with the concealer and stuff, it will all balance out. I'm gonna use this concealer not to only conceal my under eyes, but also as my eye primer. Put a little bit of concealer on your eyelids, blend it, and with any face or translucent powder, lightly set it. The first shade we're going to use is Bon Fresco, or this lavender matte shade, and this will be our transition color. Just put this color all over your eyelids with wind swiper motions, as you guys can see. Do the same thing with the other eye and just continuously blend until you're happy with the outcome. The next shadow we'll use is Love Letter, or this raspberry matte shade. Focus the shadow on the outer V of your lids, you guys, and how I apply it is I get a little bit of shadow on my brush, tap off the excess, and I blend the shadow downward. Once I'm happy with the color, I get the old brush I used to put in a transition shade and I just blend inwards. So my number 1 tip for this, you guys, is to slowly add in the darker shade. As you can see, I'm gonna add a little bit more, slowly and gradually building up the intensity of my eyes. So just be careful in putting in that eyeshadow, you guys, and then just blend, and blend some more. The last shadow we'll use is Vermeer, this iridescent metallic shade. You're going to put it on the inner half of your eye, connecting it to the blended darker eyeshadow. I'm going to use the same concealer to conceal and brighten my under eye, a little bit on the side of my nose to cover up the redness, and then a little bit on my chin, forehead, and of course nose bridge for some highlight. Normally don't do my brows, but since this is a soft glam look, I figured I'd do it while waiting for my concealer to dry. The first step is to brush your brow hairs into their natural direction, and since I already have full brows, I'm just gonna lightly fill in the sparse areas with my favorite eyebrow pencil. I don't want to add too much thickness to my brows, but I do want to elongate it. So as you can see, I'm focusing on the tail ends of my brows and just elongating it. I do the same thing to my other brow, just lightly filling it in and focusing on the tail ends to make it look longer. The final step is to blend, and blend some more, you guys. Brush your brow hairs towards their natural direction. Now, since my concealer has dried down a bit, it's time to blend again, you guys. And I do this because if you blend your concealer agad, the coverage won't be as good compared if you wait it out for a few minutes. Another good tip to always remember is to blend out your eyeshadow in an upward motions like what I'm doing. It's going to give your eyeshadow that cat eye look, giving you an instant facelift. Blend, and blend some more. That's our motto, you guys. I'm just going to get a little bit of this setting powder and lightly set my under eyes. I'm also going to put a little bit on my chin, nose, and forehead, everywhere where I put that concealer. I'm gonna lightly set my entire face with this powder, focusing more on the sides of my cheeks. And of course, don't forget your neck, you guys. Instead of contouring, I'm gonna focus more on bronzing my face. I love this bronzer. And then I just put it all over my cheeks, my forehead, and on my jaw. With the same bronzer, I'm gonna contour my nose, but not for the sake of contouring it. I do this to give my face more depth. I don't want it to fall flat or look blank. Now let's go back to the eyes. Using the transition color, put that in the inner half, and then using the darker color, put that on the outer half of your eye. Try to put it as close as possible to your lower lash line and then smoke it out. You can add as little or as much blush as you want, but personally, I'm a blush girl myself, so as you can see, I put on a lot, but it depends on your preference, really. Curl your lashes before putting on mascara to give that full effect. And again, like the blush, it depends on your preference. Put on as much or as little mascara as you want. Now it's time for the highlight. I used to not like putting on highlighter on my face because I felt like it emphasized my texture, but wearing a full face of makeup won't be complete without highlighter, you guys. It just ties in the whole look and gives you that much needed depth on your face so that it won't fall flat. I put it on my cheeks, on my chin, on my brow bone, and my inner corner. Don't forget to set your brows, especially my brows. It really needs to be set with a gel or else it's gonna go all over the place. You can use a clear brow gel if you want, but since this is an aid look and I wanted to emphasize the eyes, I opted for a tinted brow gel. And of course, don't forget the lipstick. I really didn't want to go with a really bold lip because I already had eyeshadow, but I didn't want to go with a nude lip, so I opted for something in between. I don't know if it matches the look though. What do you guys think? Comment down below. And then the last step, we're gonna douse ourselves with setting spray. So that's it, you guys. This is the final look. I hope you like it. It's really easy but really good as well, and it's gonna suit a lot of people. So now it's time to put on my hijab. I'm really sorry guys, I'm a beginner if it isn't obvious enough, and I didn't have an inner in this house, so I had to improvise. So this is the final look, you guys. I really hope you like this easy soft glam tutorial for Eid. And if you do this look for Eid or any other occasion, then please let me know through Instagram and I'd be really happy to see it. Bye guys, and see you on my